What's going on YouTube? Kevin Reese here. Today I want to bring you a really quick video. This is going to be how to adjust your headlights on a 2008 to 2012 Honda Accord. Alright guys, so I want to show you what I got going on here. So I'm going to turn my low beams on. So as you can see right here, I have them right here on the house. So I have the corner of the beam, I parked it right at the edge of the house. That way I can tell, because you want a reference point. You see my high beams, when I hit the high beams, they're fine. But the lows are right there and they kind of cut off. If you look right here, it's nothing but darkness. So going down the highway, it's really hard for me to see what's in front of me if I don't have my high beams on, because these lows, they shine so far to the ground. So what we're going to be doing is adjusting them up. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Alright guys, so when you come around here to the front of the vehicle, if you come over to the passenger side, you can see right here you have some indications. They're kind of hard to see. Left, right, and then you see 1%, and then it looks like down and up, and it says adjust. So what they're talking about, if you look down in here, little bolt right there, if you can see it down in there. I know it's hard to see, guys. Right there, if the camera would focus on it. Right down there. So you can see that bolt kind of right down there in that area. That's the one. There's one there. There's also one over here, and you just turn the way it says to turn it. So if you look down here, and this one's really a son of a gun to get to, it's right down there. You can't get a socket or anything on it because you can see the amount of room you have to work. You don't have any room, so you'd have to get like a little box end open and wrench. But I don't have one that's long enough to reach it, and you can't get your hand down in here to turn it, so it's kind of hard to do. So like I said, the way you do it, I'm going to try to find a longer wrench. The only other way I could see is to take the airbox off, but I don't feel like doing all that. So you see left and right. So when you turn, if you want to turn, like I was turning mine up, so I turned that nut to the right, and that adjusted it up. And as you can see right there, it says left, right, and then it has down, up, and it has the same kind of marking. So that's what I went with, guys, and it seemed to be working pretty good. So that's how you do it. Sorry it's hard to see. Like I said, 10 millimeter, you can get a wrench on it. If you want to take that air box off, you can get a socket and put your hand right on it. I'm going to try to find a longer wrench and see if I can get to it that way. Alright guys, so also I want to show you this. I found the trick. I want you to look really closely down there at that bolt, okay? So look down here at this bolt. Alright, we got it to focus. 10 millimeter, but also, do you see those teeth right there? I'm going to try to zoom in on it for you. So those teeth, you can actually get a flathead screwdriver and put it in there. It's very tedious, but you can turn that left and right, and you'll turn the whole dial. So you can do it that way also. Alright, so you can see the beam pattern has come up some. It's no longer at the bottom. So we've got it up probably a good 2 feet, roughly. So it should be good to go now on this side.